What's going on, my good people? Mike Hidalgo here. Thank you for joining us on another FCP Euro DIY. Today, we're going to be working on a 2008 Land Rover LR3. Today on the LR3 behind me, we're going to be showing you how to replace your windshield wiper blades along with the rear blade as well. We're going to be doing all three. We have Vallejo units in front of us, which are available on fcpo.com, along with a couple other brands as well. These don't really have an interval on how long they last. It truly depends on how often you use them and how you store your vehicle, meaning a windshield wiper blade that lives in a garage vehicle is going to last a little bit longer than one that lives outdoors 365 days a year. So with that, let's go ahead and get started on this DIY, as the only tools we're going to need today are these bad boys right here. So let's get to it. We're going to start over at the front of the LR3. We're on the passenger side, as is arguably the easier side to get to. These don't have a service mode that I've been able to find, so if you know how to put these in a service position, we're talking specifically the LR3, I'd be more than happy to learn, so please leave that in the comment section below. But for now, we're just going to go ahead and start by replacing this one. These are traditional J-style hook wiper blade arms, meaning you just simply slide the wiper arm into the arm, or the wiper blade towards the arm itself, or towards the center of the windshield in this case, like so, and the blade comes undone. These swivel, so you can move them and get them into position when you install your new blade. Good rule of thumb here is, if this is your first time doing your blades, or maybe you have a hard time reaching the top of the LR3, put a small towel or something, a piece of cardboard on the windshield so you don't risk dropping the arm blade or the arm and cracking your windshield. With the new Vallejo units, they have this small cover on them that you simply lift up to pop open. That gives you access to the hook. You can get these in position, pull them all the way towards you until they're locked in, then flip this latch over, and that'll keep them from flying off. And that's pretty much it with that. Let's go ahead and do the driver's side, and then we'll hop over to the rear of the LR3 and do the rear one. All right, now for the rear blade, we're going to go ahead and work on getting this old unit off first. Again, be mindful this arm does not stay in place, so when the blade is off, the last thing you want is for it to slingshot back into the glass and crack the glass. Before we take it off, for those of you that have not done these rear blades before, these are pretty much identical to the front. However, on the inside, you're going to want to reach for a small little tab that's going to kind of compress. That's going to allow it to unlock from the wiper arm itself, so you can pull the wiper blade off. So these are going to be on the wiper blade. Actually, this is the clip that we're going to be installing on our Vallejo blade here. Comes with two different options. For us, we're going to need this V-shaped clip. These are made for ants. There we go. All right, now we're going to swing our arm over, reach inside, try to find that small little tab so that we can push it in towards the wiper blade arm itself, and slide the blade off. There we go. Now we'll go ahead and feed our new arm in, pull it forward until you feel a lock. You'll even hear it click into place. And there we have it, my good people. Another very simple but very important DIY to know in the books. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments on what we did today, leave them in the comment section below. If there's a specific DIY you want to see us do on this chassis, drop that in there while you're at it. And if you like this DIY and you want to see more like them, please consider subscribing. We make new ones all the time, always some fun things on the side. Thank you again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.